Here are some of the most viewed animation videos on social media, with millions of views on each video, and these views mean thousands of dollars to the creators of these videos, either through the YouTube AdSense, TikTok Creativity Program, or even paid sponsorships. Stick animations are among the best when it comes to entertaining and engaging audiences. I know all of you guys have seen these videos at least once, as only a few creators are doing this niche, so there's barely any competition. The reason for this amount of views is that people can barely leave these videos halfway.
Come on, give it back.
First you gotta say my name.
All right, Big Daddy. Come on, now give it back.
My name Carl.
In fact, some people watch them again and again, which makes YouTube and TikTok push these videos to an even larger audience, and thus more money for the creators. There are 3 types of these animations, and only one of them is completely free and easy to make, which is the one I'm going to show you today.
Mom, did you change the Wi-Fi password? Oh, yeah, I did. The new password is 123456. Okay, thanks. It didn't work. Huh? What did you type? 123456. No, it's 123456.
Today, we're going to make the free version of this stick guy animation, which is very easy and requires no payment, plus you can make as many videos as you want. As short as this video is, missing one step or mixing the steps up can lead to videos that don't make sense. So let's get started. The first step is to go to this website called Adobe Express Animator, or just click on the first link in the description of this video. Make sure it has this logo, because the other version of Adobe is not free. Now, once there, just click on this plus icon and then move to the Quick Actions tab. Now, scroll down until you find the Animate from Audio option and click on it. It should bring you here where we will do most of the easy work. As you can see, you can make all these characters talk, and there are so many of them because if you click on Category, you can choose from all these like emojis, animals, humans, stick figures, and even weird stuff. But for today, we are here for the stick guy, so let's choose him and then click on this background tab. Here you can pick a background for your character, either a color background or a place background. The places include classroom, desert, city, and even space. So let's pick the classroom. Next, click on size and choose the layout that you want. Let's select YouTube. Remember, if you want to choose a portrait size, then you must select a color background, which will fit well. Now we need a free text-to-speech website to generate the audio for the animation. And for this, we will use a completely free website. The link is in the description. Once here, you just need to sign up and you will get 2,000 characters per generation, but you can do it unlimited times and free forever as of now. So just go to the speaker section and choose a voice that you like by previewing them all. For me, I will choose this speaker guy. You may ask what audio I am generating, and here it is. I just went to ChatGPT and asked it to give me 5 funny and relatable jokes. And as usual, ChatGPT delivered. You guys can pick from so many niches that are available, and I will leave my top 5 niches in the description as well. So, I just copy my text, make sure you do it one by one, and then go back to the website and turn it into audio and download it.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Just like our excuses when working from home.
Now just go back to Adobe and click on this tab, and then choose the audio you just downloaded. Adobe will automatically edit them together for free. Within a minute or two, it produced this amazing video, and here it is.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Just like our excuses when working from home.
If you post 2 to 3 videos a day, it's for sure you will see some results. Remember to check out all the resources I left in the description of the video. But don't forget to hit the like button to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more amazing growth tutorials. For any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.